Go ahead, hit it.
Hey, good job.
Hit her again. Hit her again. Yeah, leap thrower. Hit her again.
Can you hit it one more time? Hey, good job. Do you like T-ball, Owen? Yeah.
You hit it again. Hit it again.
Hey! More? Where you going?
Oh, you can have the bat?
Oh, is Daddy gonna hit it and you're gonna catch it?
You ready?
Where are you going? You gonna sit by Mommy?
Get it?
Say, hit it first, Daddy, then I'll go get it. Whoa!
Get the cutoff. Can you throw it? Go. Good job. Good throw. Careful. Can you catch it, Owen?
Aw. Oh!
Right, Owen's turn.
Oh, good job, honey.
Take a whack at it.
Mommy.
Oh, it's Mommy's turn?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. You are too cute.